Do this if you wanna get thicker, longer, and healthy hair. Guys, I'm gonna be demonstrating how I use 0.75 real individual needle dermaroller. We're going straight away disinfecting with oxygen foam sanitizing product. We're gonna have to wait a little bit until the foam is gonna soak into the roller. I do not use alcohol. It is not good for the skin. It is not good for the roller, for the plastic, neither for the needles. I do have this one, is $12.99. Affordable natural foam therapy. This is sanitizing and disinfecting your dermaroller. You can apply on the skin, you can clean your vegetables, fruits, you can apply on some cuts and allergy places and stuff like this. This is really great. I'm gonna put down below a little bit more information about that. But today we are talking about how to improve your hair growth. So after COVID, I started having issues because after COVID, immune system kind of a little bit going down. I'm okay, but I still want to show for you guys that you're having issues. If you are losing hair, or if you feel that your hair is not so thick like it used to be, especially after COVID. I see so many people losing hair after COVID. Or 2 nights ago, I was talking to one of my followers and she had chemotherapy. She lost basically a lot of, more than half of her hair. By the way, I do have Facebook community. I'm gonna put the link down below. You can be involved with me directly. There is over 1,000 members right now. I do have sometimes like Zoom calls with no recordings, nothing, personally talking, chatting one-on-one, and I love learning about you. We're sharing all health related tips, tricks, experiences. We help one another. It's like kind of like sisterhood, like a virtual family. So if you want to join, you can join. So you see it's already melting halfway. Basically, I just washed my hair. The best time to dermaroll your hair after you shower. After that, you don't want to apply anything else. Also have hair growth a serum that is going to be launching soon. This is with Rosemary. Of course, you guys know that with Rosemary, everything is really great. You can make at home rosemary. You can watch some DIY videos here on YouTube, but I am going to be launching serum dedicated for the hair with other beautiful ingredients. So this is really helpful for hair growth. So this is just a sample. It's not launched yet. It's launching in March. So subscribe to my newsletter if you want to be notified when we're going to launch this baby. But I've been using this for quite some time. Now you guys can see my gray hair. Not that many, but I do have some gray hair. So basically I'm spraying everywhere. You can use nothing, like literally nothing. You don't have to use anything. Or you can use a homemade rosemary. Just boil rosemary with the distilled water and then spray like this on your scalp. Or once we launch, you're going to be able to use our serum for the hair roots to boost growth. Guys, there are non-paid studies already proving that rosemary works as much as Minoxidil. Just have side effects, like your pee can go down, affects hormones, affects your endocrine system, has all the side effects which they state on their website and everywhere. So I'm basically spraying everywhere, gently rubbing into the skin, into the scalp, and it smells really nice. So this is going to be launched in March. If you want to know when, subscribe to my newsletter, which is going to be down below in the description box. And I'm just going massaging a little bit more with the fingers, and then I'm taking this roller. I have a paper here to make sure that I don't have this foam product anymore. I'm just rolling a couple of times on the clean sheet of paper. You want to make sure you wash your hands before that, and I'm starting as always on the wet hair from the top right here like that. There's not such a like strict rules how to do it. It's the main point that you want to dermaroll everywhere, all your head. First time, if you're just a beginner, if you have never done this, 5 minutes for the entire scalp is enough. If you advance, you can go 10-15 minutes, but it shouldn't be longer than that. Beginners roll 3 times, advanced can roll 5 to 10 times. So you want to make sure that you're using, whoa, just have to feel it, that you're using everywhere. That's why when you wash your hair, like dermaroll straight away after you wash your hair. Don't wait until your hair is gonna be dry. But I also have quite a lot of hair, and I'm gonna go here. It's easier when I do have mirror. I do not have mirror in front of me right now. A little bit of viewfinder over there on the camera, I see. And then here, basically you go all your head like that. I see some people using like that, like going back and forth, is not my favorite thing. But you do you. Make sure that after that your hair not gonna fall, because sometimes people like, hey Jen, my hair started falling after Dermaroller. A little bit hair falling after Dermaroller, it's okay, not a big deal. But some people have issue with a lot of hair falling, and I'm like, okay, how long did you do? 20 minutes. Okay, that's too much. Show me how you do it. And they say, oh, I did it like this 20 times each, you know, it's too much. Dermaroller does not require that you will bleed or you will have pain or you will have to do for 20-30 minutes. It's not okay. You don't have to do this. 5 minutes for one area, like face, 5 minutes is enough. Head, for the hair growth, if you have maybe more hair, then maybe it takes time. But look at this, for example, right now, just a few minutes I did all this part. So I only have a back, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you properly the back. I don't know if this is going to focus, but let's say, where is this? Okay, over here. You know what I mean? You can ask someone to dermaroll. By the way, I'm using 0.75 dermaroller and I barely feel it. Or maybe you want sections a little bit first here and then on the other side. It's messy, but you get it, right? For beauty, we can be messy sometimes. And then very back here left. This over here, basically like this. This is more for beginners. If you advance, of course, you dermaroll much more. But that's it, guys. That's it. I'm done. Like literally, this is less than 5-minute work with explaining and stuff like this. I do have some clients before and after pictures I can put right here on my website. Really, it's a big difference when you dermaroll your hair right away after you wash your hair. And then to disinfect, I put foam. I let it sit for a couple of hours. This is gonna go down, and eventually, if I'm gonna wait until tomorrow, will evaporate. Don't close this lid completely like this, because it has to have the airflow. So maybe you can leave your roller just like that. This is a really amazing, super affordable way to grow your hair. Just be consistent. It takes some time. I will say minimum, to be real and honest, it can take minimum 6 months to see results. Preferably will be better if you did this for a year. I think I don't have too much hair, but I do have a good amount of hair. It's still wet, but my hair is okay. It's not bad. I can't complain, but also I feel and I noticed after COVID, I had COVID twice, that my hair and my nails started a little bit be weaker. I'm taking vitamins, I'm strengthening my immune system, but on the top of that, we also can do this externally and help our hair grow. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below in the comment section. If you want to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, it's JenAmberX. And I don't know really if this is dermarolling or what, but this was gray hair and now it's no more gray. Anyway, this is another topic. I don't know if you guys are going to see. Look at this. From here it's white and from here it's dark. I'll do research if dermarolling actually helps with the gray hair. I love you guys so much, and I see you in my next video.